All right, let's learn how to use Notion's new synced blocks in 120 seconds. So right here, we have a little block here that is our company's mission, and we want to have this block be on all of our Notion pages. However, if we want to update this quote message here at some point, then normally we would have to update it on every single page, and that could become tiresome. So instead, what we can do is we can make this a synced block by highlighting it, right-clicking, and we go to Turn Into Synced Block. Now you'll notice that there's like a little highlight around this, and we have an option to copy and sync. So let's go ahead and click copy and sync. Then let's go to another page we have on our Notion, and let's go ahead and Control V. And now we can see that we have our block that we had before on this page. Now, if we were to update this and change this to valued customers, now when we go to our products page, we're going to see that it updated this here as well, because when we update a synced block, it will update it across all of the Notion pages that used the synced block. So this is really cool. I can see a lot of different opportunities and creative ways to use this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this, and please leave suggestions for more content in the comments down below. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my other Notion content, I'll put up a link on the screen.